Hi, this is Raj from Your Finance Advisor, and today we are talking about SMSF Mortgage. In 2007, legislation made it possible for investors to borrow within their self-managed super fund, or also known as SMSF. Since then, according to the latest stats released by APRA and the ATO, the SMSF sector has grown to a size of approximately 600,000 SMSFs with around 653 billion of assets in them. There are some benefits of having an SMSF, which is the rental is not considered as a contribution. SMSF loans are non-recourse loans. Check with your accountant, but property held in the pension phase has a nil tax rate on income and capital gain tax. However, SMSF lending is a very complex, and borrowers will need to ensure they have a qualified accountant, qualified financial planner, and a lending specialist who understand the SMSF loans and their requirements. The requirement for SMSF loans can include things like borrowed money must be used to acquire an investment asset that complies with legislative requirements. The asset has to be held in a trust that has a trustee known as the custodian or a bear trust, which must be separate from the actual SMSF. The SMSF trustee purchases the property, but the property must be held on trust for the SMSF by another third-party entity, which could be the property trustee. The property trustee then grants a real property mortgage over the property to the lender. The SMSF pays the deposit, legal cost and stamp duty, and borrows the balance from an SMSF lender. The most common issues that lenders see are bear trust and the trustee have not been created, or the contracts exchange is in wrong names, funds still in an industry fund, and where the rollover can take 4 to 6 weeks, and this can delay the whole process. No financial advice certificate has been obtained, or the trustees are not set up correctly for SMSF lending. These issues can take weeks to resolve, which means buyers could miss out on buying a particular property they're looking at, and which can actually cause the whole purchase deal to fall off. It is very important for buyers to note that loan to value ratio on SMSF loan is lower, which is usually around 70% of the property value. It always incurs the higher interest rate when you're looking for an SMSF loan. Buyer needs to have a minimum balance of about $200,000. Superannuation is eligible